Hey everyone. So today I'm here with my Shark Stick vac, and we just got some new furniture today. So just wanted to do a video vacuuming this room. Plus I've barely shown this thing on the channel since I've gotten it, so I figured it'd be nice. So anyways, here we go. That was a really long one down. Anyways, which this thing's about half clogged anyways. I need to clean the filter. Okay, hold on. So let me give me a minute while I take the dust cup out. Okay, so that's what I got up. Not too bad, especially considering it's half clogged and is a 20-something-year-old stick vac. And my reason for, for not doing the rug is you kind of need a brush roll for it. So, yeah. But anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to do this quick video because I was in kind of a nostalgic mood because this is a childhood vacuum of mine. So yeah, that was Den vacuuming with the Sharp Turbo Stick Vac, and I'll show the data sticker for this before I go. So this was before they had like fully embraced the Sharp name. This was when they were technically still Europro. Model EP600, 900 watts, 23rd week of 05. So this machine is coming up on its 21st birthday, even though it's only been out of its box for 4 years. So yeah, Den vacuuming with the Europro Sharp Stick Vac. Hope you enjoyed.